get into my little kitchen here. It's so pretty. Come, let me show you how well appointed this kitchen is. I'm going to be posting the details of this chalet, the owner. We got a beautiful deal in Airbnb. That's the view from my little kitchen window. It's a wonderful place. Let me get cooking. I have everything ready here. I have the baby potatoes, I have the sausages, I have a little bit of a Staka, some eggs, and tomatoes and some onions. So let me get started. I quickly slice my potatoes. I have been really surprised by this little village called Felids, where we are staying. This chalet is. It is so remote and it is so beautiful. At the same time, it's so convenient. I had a supermarket where I bought all this stuff in 5 minutes walking distance. Get all my potatoes. We close this and wait for the potatoes to boil. In the meanwhile, we prepare a little side dish. Sound, and this should be good. It looks so good. I also have some avocado left over, which I'm going to take. It's very ripe and nice avocado. Bought in the local market. Don't worry, this knife is not that sharp. So we'll put this on in here. And while the potatoes are boiling, or waiting to be boiled rather, I'm going to give you a tour of this very charming chalet in the Swiss Alps in a little town called Felids. It's 5,000 feet above the sea level. Literally in the morning, I saw the entire chalet being covered by clouds. We were living in the clouds. It's a very cute place to hang your stuff, and she's got a great taste. Assembled a lot of things. So there's a little refrigerator here. We had to clear everything up before leaving. Today we're leaving, so we need to be very responsible guests. She has everything that you need. You have your wine glasses used. She has all the stuff, anything that anybody can. Very neat little pantry. I made a few additions of my own for her. This is the bedroom. There is nothing like an Alpine picture window to really suit you. This is beautiful. Let me open this door a little. It's a perfect place to sit, have your hot tea, gaze at the alpine, snow-clad alpine mountains, and you can feel your stress of the day going away. We really, really highly recommend this place. Serve our breakfast here later on. Potatoes are nicely cooking. So in the meanwhile, let me cut some onions. potato side dish. Wow, the smell of the onions and garlic frying in a bit of butter, nothing beats it. Salt. Pepper. Looks like my potatoes are done. I'm going to take them really quickly off the heat. Then here, we need the water. Quickly the potatoes. Potatoes are ready. Let's put them in the onion and garlic roasted in butter here. Two sprigs of parsley. I've been really amazed by this kitchen and how well it's organized. Look at this. I was super impressed. We don't have this in Houston or in Greece. How well the space is being managed. You can put everything that you want here. Close. Oh, okay, look at this. I love this. It's nice like this. You have all your oils and sauces. Great. I love this. Alright, I think this is getting ready, so let me transfer it to a bowl. Pan, I'm going to put some Staka. This is a cream of the butter that I'm going to talk about, or this is very specific to Crete. While the Staka is melting, I'll just put half a spoon of flour. Just mix it. This releases all those fats that are in the butter. Actually, I need to reduce my heat. Staka is nicely melting, so I'm going to drop my eggs. This should be enough. Increase the heat a little bit and scramble them. Just a little salt. Staka already is salty, so I'm not going to go heavy-handed on salt. A bit less. pepper. Scrambled egg looks wonderful. Ready? In the same pan, I will put some butter. The butter is melting. So I'm going to drop my special Alpine sausages. They look so good. The bread is from yesterday, so I'm going to throw it in the butter and the fat from the sausages on the pan to fry them. Now let's see what sausage doing. I think it's very nicely ready. These have burst. Okay, let them get it out in the plate. Wow, it looks so good. Alright, so let's put this here now. Bon appetit! Let's try the scrambled eggs first. It's really good. It's so rich with the Staka. Very good. Let's put a piece of sausage. Very smoky, very tender, well spiced. I love this Alpine sausage. It's amazing. What a charming little village. of croissants in Switzerland.